Nigga, that bitch hard, nigga. Hit the subscribe button ASAP. Stay in tune, and you know it's about to stay lit on. I really want to show you guys that I've been constantly grinding, constantly doing research, constantly learning from YouTube, just from YouTube, and also people that's doing the same thing and learning from their blueprint that they left behind for us to follow up and to climb our way up to the top. If you watch some of the old videos, I talked about some of these same things. As you can see now, I'm putting it all into action, putting it all into the works, and I really would appreciate more supporters because it'll be more lit. You know what I mean? I took a lot of money and invested in myself, you know what I mean, to build my brand. So I appreciate if you support my brand. If not, you don't have to support, you know what I mean? You could just be a hater, but a hater's gonna always be a hater. So, you know what I mean? We need more haters if that's the case. Come and subscribe, haters. I'm taking everybody. Come on in, you know what I mean? But here's a clip of the video, me putting in the work and stuff like that. Just editing the video. I don't think it's just easy, you know what I mean? Now, there's other people like YouTubers that can like hire people to do it, but I already learned it myself. This is the main reason why I wanted to start YouTube, because I wanted to learn how to do videos, and I see well accomplishments. I appreciate you guys, man, for watching this video and seeing how dedicated I am, man. Because I used to, if you can go back at my old work, check out the old videos, and you can come to the new works and check out the new videos, like you'll really see a very much accomplished, you know what I mean? Like I'm about to be lit, like, you know what I mean? Yeah, thank y'all, I really do, for motivating me so much to keep going, keep pushing, keep growing, and keep doing what I do, you know? That's just what I do, baby. Yeah, shout out to everybody that I watch on YouTube. That's it for right now. Until the next video, hit the subscribe button. Thank y'all. Appreciate all of y'all. I love y'all. Give me a hug.